What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV. Want to let you know I am on that motherfucking grind. All the machines are running fast as fuck, getting everything printed up quick as can be, clean and strong and sturdy with performance in mind. I've been busy with events, and the events are done, so now I'm focused on the shop again, and I'm grinding stuff out just as fast as possible. So plug in your orders, shoot me a message if you got questions. I'm happy to help. Everything's custom here. I'm making custom GoPros, custom antennas, custom everything. Don't forget, I got a full part shop too. Motors and batteries and air units. Air units are on sale. Controllers, transmitters, all this good shit right here. flyhighfpv.com. Shipping out fast as fuck. Appreciate you, boys. Hit me up if you need a thing. I'm here supporting every product in the shop and making lots of cool shit every day. flyhighfpv.com.